Now, we want you to test yourself and see if you can answer these JAMB use of English questions. Test yourself and see the number you can get correctly. Let's go. In each questions, I'll give you just 5 to 10 questions. Choose the option that best complete the following sentences. Remember, these are real JAMB questions. In each of the questions below, choose the option that best completes the following sentence. So what we are looking at now is best complete, okay? Question 58. The two brothers fell out and refused to leave the same house. The two brothers fell out and refused to leave the same house. So I'm asking you to choose the one that best fill the gap, the dash. A, through the same house. B, live out the same house. C, live in the same house. D, live on the same house. What is the answer to question 58? The two brothers fell out and refused to leave the same house. Is it through the same house, out the same house, in the same house, and on the same house? Tell me the answer. Those of us, pay attention. Those of us who sat at the back of the hall couldn't hear the lecturer, and so we asked him to speak dash. Those of us who sat at the back of the hall couldn't hear the lecturer, and so we asked him to speak dash. A, to speak on. B, to speak down. C, to speak up. D, to speak forward. What does it mean? You are not hearing. When you are not hearing somebody, do you say A, speak on, or B, speak down, or C, speak up, or D, speak forward? Tell me the answer in the comment section. Don't dodge. Just use these things. Let's know how prepared you are. Remember, in our channel, I've done quite a lot of videos for you. I've done more than 40 videos on use of English. If you want me to give you the link to all the videos we've done on use of English, you can ask me to give them to you, and I will give them to you free of charge. But that is only for members of this YouTube channel. If you're already a member, you can get it free. If you are not a member, if you are not yet a member, ask me how to be a member. It's just simple. By joining our YouTube channel, you become a full member. Some parents like to show their children dash. Some parents like to show their children dash. A, show their children in. B, show their children off. C, show their children down. D, show their children out. Tell me the answer. A, in. B, off. C, down. D, out. Some parents like to show their children. Is it show their children in, show their children off, show their children down, or show their children out? I won't tell you the answer. I am trying to give you the opportunity to gauge how prepared you are for this coming JAMB exam. The producer asked the actors to put down their costumes and be ready to go on stage. The producer asked the actors to put down their costumes and be ready to go on stage. A, put on their costumes. B, put off their costumes. C, put in their costumes. D, put through their costumes. Is it A, put on their costumes? B, put off their costumes? C, put in their costumes? And D, put through their costumes? Okay, let's proceed. I hope you are getting my questions. Be telling me the answers in the comment section. This is so crucial. The teacher wouldn't even look dash my work. He says my writing is shocking. The teacher wouldn't even look dash my work. He said my writing is shocking. A, the teacher wouldn't even look upon my work. B, look to my work. C, look at my work. D, look in my work. The teacher wouldn't even look dash my work. Is it A, upon my work? B, to my work? C, at my work? And D, in my work? I am waiting for the answers in the comment section. Even if you don't get 10 over 10, even if you get 3 over 10, go ahead and try and answer. Let nothing intimidate you. And please, don't stretch your neck and copy anybody's answer in the comment section. Use this to test how prepared, because of course you know the exam is so close. The exam is so close. Okay, we move on. He took it dash himself to spread unfounded rumors. He took it dash himself to spread unfounded rumors. A. He took it about himself. B. He took it for himself. C. He took it in himself. D. He took it upon himself. He took it dash himself to spread unfounded rumors. A. Took it about himself. B. Took it for himself. C. Took it in himself. D. Took it upon himself. Okay, I hope you are getting the question. If I am too fast, let me know. Okay, be careful. Question 64. Be careful. This is too serious a matter to be played dash. Be careful. This is too serious a matter to be played dash. A. To be played in. B. To be played up to. C. To be played with. D. To be played to. Be careful. This is too serious a matter to be played A. In. B. Up to. C. With. D. To. Tell me the answer in the comment section. I hope this. See, if the videos I'm making are helpful to you, please let me know. If you enjoy the videos I put out in this channel, tell me how you have been benefiting. You can also encourage me to do more. In our channel, I've done several videos on use of English, physics, chemistry, biology, economics, government, both science subjects, art subjects. If you need me to give you access, the link to all the videos we've done, you can ask me. I've done past question and the answer, expo questions and the answer. If you need me to give you the link to all the videos I've done, just mention your subject, and for those of you that already are members, I could give them to you. If you also want me to give you free JAMB syllabus and free JAMB past question, watch this video till the end. The second round, question 65. The second round of the competition will be played dash tomorrow. The second round of the competition will be played dash tomorrow. A. Played in tomorrow. B. Played off tomorrow. C. Played away tomorrow. D. Played off tomorrow. Is it A, in, B, off, C, away, and D, off? That's off of double F. Okay, let's look at the second and the last question for you. He went to the cinema to take his mind, dash his worries. He went to the cinema to take his mind, dash his worries. A. Down his worries. B. Out of his worries. C. To his worries. D. Off his worries. He went to the cinema to take his mind, dash his worries. I hope you are capturing these questions and providing the answers. I'm waiting for you to give me the answers in the comment section. He went to the cinema to take his mind, dash his worries. A. Down his worries. B. Out of his worries. C. To his worries. And D. Off his worries. I'm waiting for you in the comment section. Then the final question to make it 10 that I'm giving you is question 67. Remember, you can ask me for the other videos I've done, and it could be yours if you're already a registered member of our YouTube channel. An average student who has been taking dash the course book should be able to construct reasonable good sentences. An average student who has been taking dash the course book should be able to construct reasonably good sentences. An average student who has been taking A in the course book, B by the course book, C to the course book, D through the course book. An average student who has been taking that's the course book, is it in the course book, B by the course book, C to the course book, and D through the course book? Come under the comment and tell me the answers to these quizzes. We have done a lot of other quizzes. If you need me to give you the link to all other quizzes that we have done, you can ask me in the comment section. All right, remember, go ahead, and if you want to receive free JAMB past question and free JAMB syllabus, number one thing you have to do is join, become a full member. How do you become a full member? You become a full member of our channel when you join. So click on join right now and become a full member. When you join, you can be able to call me on the phone, chat with me on WhatsApp, ask me your questions. Then number two for you to do is go ahead and like this video. Click on like, then share this video, then finally subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once you subscribe to our YouTube channel, come under this video and type I have subscribed. Once I see you type I have subscribed, I will chat you up and send all the materials you need to you.